She is quite the looker now. What's up, guys? So I'm getting the bike ready for its first track day. I've already installed some racy bits. Quickly go over them real quick. We have the Jill's tooling mirror delete block off plates. Super flush and clean install. Did the Hot Boy mod and put on some grippy domino grips, because why not? Also did the turn signal mod. So now the daytime running lights are my turn signals. OEM, the turn signal is mounted in the mirrors. On the street, I'm going to run the CRG Aero mirrors. They're bar end. They go on right there. But obviously on the track, there are no mirrors, so I've taken them off for now since we're going to the track day this weekend. Also did the GYTR branded quick release fuel cap. Super easy to install, looks really clean. But the biggest cleanup on this bike was getting rid of that OEM fender. So now we have the new Rage Cycles fender eliminator tail tidy kit. Turn signals are super clean and sleek looking. License plate gets tucked up, and overall really cleans up the aesthetic of the bike. In today's video, I'm going to be installing some tech spec tank grips, because this bike is super slippery, especially wearing full leathers. Any bike without grips is almost unrideable. So we're going to get these popped on, and then I'm also going to do an oil change and run some Motul 300V. The motor has about 230-ish miles on it. But since I've got a track day coming up, I want to go ahead and get that break-in oil out of the bike. We've already ran it a bunch, obviously, and get some fresh, good, high-quality, top-of-the-line oil into the machine. We'll let all that nice oil, that nice break-in oil, drip out of the sump, and then we'll pop off the filter on the other side. Drip, 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 drip. I don't have a drain pan that's low profile enough to get under the bike, but my genius knows no bounds. Now we'll come back and just give the pipes a good cleanup. Make sure we don't have any oil on them when we go to start this guy up again. Otherwise that will leave some stains on the titanium. We can't have that. back on the ground, upright, got it off the boards. Didn't drop the bike, so everything is fine. Now we've got the 300V. It's got a pour spout. I'm gonna do this no funnel. Oh yeah, this might not be my best idea. Okay, funnel acquired and cleaned. Stick that bad boy in there. Now we're ready to go. And let's go ahead and start it up, let it idle just for a second to get that oil circulating. Don't see any drips on the ground, so far so good. Shut the bike off. Quick oil level check. Oh yeah. Right in the middle. This is my makeshift stand to up the bike right as close as I can without actually having paddock stands. It's perfectly balanced. There ain't much holding it up, but yeah, all is good. Now let's get these tank grips installed. These are the uppers that go on the tank itself up here. And then I also got these in the kit for here. However, when I'm riding, my legs are never there. So I'm gonna take these with me to the track day, but I'm not gonna put them on for now because on track, my knees aren't that low. We'll take them with us in case we need them, but we got the uppers, and then we have, of course, the center, which goes something like so. All right, we are basically track ready. Tank grips are installed. They're not the most symmetrical, but the beauty of the bike is you can only see one at a time. So on camera, they look perfect because I nailed it. All right, that wraps up the track prep for my first outing on the R1. We are going to get some footage on track with the bike, so make sure you're subscribed to see that, and I will see you next time.